Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get promo codes for Hard Rock Cafe. Whether you are using this video on your phone or whether you want to apply it over your phone or laptop, you can get the promo codes from any of it. Just go to Google and on the search bar here you have to just type Hard Rock Cafe promo codes, right? And by the way, you can also write the location and everything. Now here we are into the official website and basically they provide the promo code by themselves. Now here you can see 10% merchandise discount at Hard Rock Cafe and shop here, and this only applies to this of the locations and the cities, right? But let me show you a wallet here. This is a worthpenny.com. They just provide the promo codes for each and every website. So here, as you can see here, it will just give me 25% off. And how I can get this? First of all, I have to click on it and here, as you can see here, I've got this promo code which is called upgrade. I have to copy this up and I have to apply it whichever product I'm buying from Hard Rock Cafe, right? Same way you will get a lot more website. For example, this is Coupon Dunia, right? And here you can just get a product from here, right? For example, let me show you. So this is a one, right? It's depending upon which website you're going, and there are a lot of websites which can provide you a lot of coupons here, and it's really easy to get one of them. And make sure you try and apply and you will get 100% offer on that. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.